Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me, Bob? Gosh, like waiting for Christmas. Yeah, look at you. Come on. It'll be dark in a minute, hurry up. Go for it, Bob. Oh, got a nice clean visor. Cleaned it yesterday when I got back. Let's see how this new microphone cover sounds then, eh? Well, so far, so good, because it's not tickling me chops. So I thought yesterday might be the last ride. But now I'm wondering, is today the last ride? That's it. Stay home, stay safe. Bit only one there. Yes, definitely better part of the day. Make sure he's got eyes on, or not. I was surprised when I went out yesterday, never had heated grips on, and I thought I'd have needed them, but it's the same again today. I'm riding along, it's not entered my head to turn them on yet. Well, clearly it must have done for me to be talking about it. Sorry, mate. 7 degrees apparently. If we were with Andy's, I guarantee you, Andy's would say it was 10 degrees. In fact, he came out with that statement yesterday. He said, it's like now, he says, it's 10 degrees, it's quite comfortable. Whoop, watch out! They're dangerous, these bloody things. He says, at 7 degrees, he says, there'd be quite a lot of difference. I went, yeah, about 3. And I don't think he got it. Either that or he just thought, shut up, you idiots.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be.
What a nice sweepy bit. What about this one? Farmhouse. It's alright, isn't it? pushed by cyclists, look. Yeah. Flipping heck. See if Mum's geese are out up here. Oops, go on mate. Just, oh, there's another one. There's another one. Way, go on. Kamikaze grouse. Yeah, look. Gets Mum every time, that. Roach Abbey. You never go with school? You went to New York with school. I went to Roach Abbey. Mind you, I did go all the way to Abersham House as well. Whee! Honestly. Parking Mum's spot. Right, I'll pop. Sorted. Ooh.